Ooh, hang on. Hi. I'm going to do my 1 minute laughy. I'm just in the park and I thought it started raining a few minutes ago. So rather than just drive home, I'll do my laughy while I'm in the park with my special umbrella. I'm just trying to get... Ha! Ooh, hang on. Oh. If it starts raining again. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, squeeze in your laughy while you're out and about, and I will catch up to you guys later on. Right? I'm enjoying the rain. Bye.